welcome back to my channel, Code with Romi. And before we get started on today's topic, I just wanted to take the time out to thank each and every one of you guys for your support. We're now at 1,500 subscribers. I can't imagine what we're going to be like in the next couple of months, and I only have about, 5 or 6 videos, so I look forward to what we can achieve later on. In this video, I'm going to show you how binary search works visually. We're going to be using JavaScript and HTML and a simple array. Now, what is binary search? Now, binary search is a fast way to search through a sorted list instead of checking every single item one by one. It keeps cutting the list in half until it finds the number or determines it's not there. So you guys are going to be able to follow through. As always, you can download all the files from my GitHub, but today I'm going to be doing something different as I'm not using my Mac. I'll be using my Raspberry Pi. I've had this for a couple of years, and I think it's a perfect time for me to utilize it. I already have a Raspberry Pi 4, and I have a Raspberry Pi 5. The 5 I'm using is a web server at the moment, so that's a different setup. If you guys want to see how I've done that or what I've been using it for, let me know in the comments and I'll try to record a video of it. It might be a bit difficult since I only have a terminal installed on the Raspberry 5. As you can see on the Raspberry 4 here, I have the entire graphical user interface. Alright, for my setup here, I'm going to be creating 2 files. I'm going to start off with my HTML file, which is going to be the binary search.html. Whatever you guys want to name it, you can do so yourself. And the second file is going to be the binary search.js, which is our JavaScript file. So basically, we've got a sorted array of 10 numbers displayed as boxes on the screen. Each box shows a number, and we'll highlight the middle value that we're checking. So the user can type in a number to search for and click Start Search. That's what we're going to be coding today. You guys are going to be able to see the visual process when we're finished with the coding here. You can follow along, or you can go to the GitHub with the link in the description below and download it for yourself and run it, or change up whatever numbers you want or fix it however you like. Edit the code is all up to you, and test it yourself. Hopefully you have an understanding of what binary is, and give me your honest opinion. Guys, I would really appreciate it if you could take the time to like the video, leave a comment, or even share it with your friends who are also into programming or web development. There are a lot of things that I want to pursue in this channel. If you guys have any ideas, I'm always an open book. Leave the comment below. I'll look into whatever idea you guys may suggest and see how I can present it. If you have made it this far in this video, just drop a comment below if you haven't already, and let me know, are you guys pursuing anything right now as in career-wise, or are you in school, college, whatever it might be? And if you are in college, what are you studying? Is it computer science? Is it a whole different field and you're just into IT, that's how you're in this channel? Let me know. I'm interested to find out. So I was going through Reddit while I was doing this video, looking up binary, other ideas as well. And I saw a couple questions. People were asking, why does binary matter? Because they obviously don't like the whole process of binary and so forth. But for me, I believe binary search is a core algorithm that you will use in many areas of software engineering. It could range from databases to real-time systems and even beyond. So for the most part, binary is fast, it's efficient, and way smarter than looping through every item. I'm sure you guys have heard this a lot, but when it comes to getting things done, you do your best to work smarter, not harder. Yeah, it's very cliche, but it's something that really helps a lot with your productivity, especially if you're doing coding or any form of development. If you are able to maximize efficiency and save time while focusing on what matters, do so. we are almost at the finish line. Guys, this video took me over probably 2 hours or so just to record, to edit, to ensure that well, I know I made some mistakes. I rectified those. I didn't go through the entire troubleshooting, coming up with the code. Of course, I had to type it out before, run it myself, and then type it over again for the video. So, just to explain what the algorithm does. When the search starts, JavaScript calculates the middle index between left and right. So if the middle number matches the user's target, which we will input, we highlight it in green. And if it's lower, we skip the left half. And if it's higher, we skip the right half. So each skip value fades to gray so you can follow the logic visually. That's how we visualize binary in this case. So this keeps repeating until we either find the number or run out of values. And I'm going to be testing numbers that are in the binary that you can find and also that are outside of the array. So you can see the error message that pops up. And that's it. You've just watched a live visual of how binary search works step by step. So if you found this helpful, again, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding content, and check out the other videos on my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. I look forward to whatever you guys may suggest for me to look into, whatever other projects I can pursue. I am not sure what the next video is going to be as I'm still planning ahead. But look forward to it. Hopefully it's going to be something as I can add to a playlist. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the next one.